Digestive system gets disturbed due to cold, hence take light food so that it gets digested quickly. Vitamin C deficiency can be cured by squeezing lemon in a glass of warm water and adding 1 spoon of honey to it. Consumption of vitamin C is very beneficial in the treatment of cold. A person suffering from cold should take more rest, and should also drink more water. It is good to drink fruit juice also. Consuming honey and ginger mixed twice a day provides quick relief from this disease. Garlic soup provides great relief from cold and cough. Take 1 teaspoon onion juice mixed with equal amount of honey 3 times a day. Consumption of turmeric is also very effective. In case of cold and cough, drink turmeric milk. It removes phlegm from the throat and provides relief from cold. Burning a small piece of turmeric and inhaling its smoke will speed up runny nose and provide quick relief from cold. By adopting some of these home remedies, you can get quick relief from cold and cough.